Hi everyone. Let's look at question number 6. So we have to complete this table using this equation. So I'm gonna use my calculator for that. This is gonna be 4. This is 2.10, and this is 1.41. In the grid opposite, draw the graph. So we're gonna draw the graph 0, 4. So the first point is 0, 4, which is right here. Second point 0.25. So this is 1, this is 0.5, 0.25, all the way up to 3.34. So this is 3, this is 4, that means this is 3.5, this is 3.25, 0. Sorry, 2.25, 2.30, 2.35. So 34 is right below there. And then 0.528, 0.5 is this line, and 2.82, 2.2, 2.5, 2.75, 2.80, 2.85. So 82 is right in the middle. Then 1, which is this line, this vertical line, and 2.10, this is 2, 2.05, 2.10. And then 1.5 is this line, this vertical line, and 1.67, 1, 1.5, 1.55, 1.60, 1.65, 1.67 is right above there, almost in the middle. And then 2, 1, 1.41, so 1.25, 1.5, 1.45, 1.4041 is right above there. And 3, 1.5, 1.15, 3, 1, 1.05, 1.10, 1.15. So now we just have to draw a curve, smooth curve. You should draw it by hand, but it's gonna be a bit hard for me. Okay, it should look something like this. So we're done with the plotting. So question B is done. In C, by drawing an appropriate straight line on the grid, obtain estimate to one decimal place of the root of the equation this. So when we have questions like this, we have to convert the equation given into the equation of the plot, which is this. So we have to somehow convert this into that. So we have x is equals to e to the power minus x. Our equation of the plot is y is equals to 1 plus 3 e to the power minus x. We already have this part. Now there's 3 on the coefficient of e to the power minus x. So we are going to multiply by 3 on both sides, and then we are going to add 1 on both sides. Now that gives us this part, which we can replace by y. So 1 plus 3x is equals to y. I'm just going to rearrange it. Y is equals to 3x plus 1. This is y is equals to mx plus c, equation of a straight line where 3 is the gradient, 1 is the y-intercept. So if we draw this line that's gonna intersect with this curve, the intersecting point is our solution. So y-intercept is 1, so that means this equation, sorry, this point, and when y is equals to 0, x is or when x is equals to 1, then this is 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. X is equals to 1, y is equals to 4 right here. Now let's try to draw a straight line. The straight line should look something like this. So the solution of x, my bad. So the solution of x is equals to e to the power minus x. This equation is this point right here on the x-axis, which is this is 1, this is 1.15. So it's close to 1.15 or 1.16. For me, it's 1.15. Oh, sorry. This is not 1.15. This is actually 0.5. So 0.55, I would say for me, or close to that. For you, it should be between 0.5 to 0.6. It should be within this region. Otherwise, your graph, your error percentage is way too high. In order to get full marks, your range have to be within these two numbers. Now, for the next question, by drawing an appropriate straight line on the green, obtain estimate 200 of the root of the equation. This, okay. Similar thing here. We have to convert this equation into this. So let's try ln. Let me do it on a separate page. Ln x minus 1 whole cube is equals to minus 3x. Ln x minus 1 whole cube is equals to minus 3x. We have to convert that into y is equals to 1 plus 3 to the power minus x. Let me check the equation one more time. X minus 1 whole cube. Okay. Now, obviously we don't have e to the power minus x in here, but what we know is ln is basically log base e. So we can rearrange the equation using the law of logarithm, which we know is something like this. If it's something like this, then we can write e to the power a is equals to x. This is the base, this is the base. E to the power a is equals to x. We can do the same thing here, but right now if we do e to the power minus 3x, we won't get e to the power minus x. We need minus x, not minus 3x. That means we have to get rid of this 3. How we would do that is we can bring that power here using the law of logarithm, which is something like this. If we have something like this, we can bring this power right here. X is equals to log PA. So that's what we did. Now we can cancel out this 3 and this 3. Now we have this remaining. Now we needed minus x. For this, we have that. Now using this law, okay, e here, e goes there. So e to the power, whatever is on the right side goes on top of e. So whatever is on the right side goes on top of e, and then whatever is next to ln or log goes to the right side. Okay. Now we have e to the power minus x. So just like the previous question, I'm gonna multiply both sides by 3, and then I'm gonna add 1 to both sides. So that's gonna leave us to this. This is y. So y is equals to 3x minus 2. So we just have to draw this line. So the points we need is, one of them is y-intercept is minus 2, so 0 minus 2. If x is equals to 1, then I'm just taking 2 points because in order to draw a line you need 2 points. So if x is 0, y is minus 2. If x is 1, then y is also 1. So I have 2 points. Now I can draw the line. Let me clear this out. 0 minus 2, which goes way down, so I need a different point. Let's try, instead of this, let's try 2. So x is 2, then y is 6 minus 2 is 4. Yeah, that's within our range. 1 1 2 4. So 1 is right here, 1 is right there, 1 and 2 4. Let me try to draw the line. I'm gonna use a different color here. Okay, sorry about the mistake here. This is close to 1 1.5 1.25 1.30 for me. The solution is always on the x-axis, so this one was 0.55. So solution is always on the x-axis, so you have to look at the x value. According to mark scheme, if your value is between 1.2 and 1.3, you will get full marks. So yeah, I think I got that value. So that's about it. If you want to support the channel, subscribe, like, you know what to do. Thank you.